was just a
roar that couldn't drown out
And then sound.
what haunts many of them now.
And you can hear them screaming.
I saw children floating in the water begging for help that we could not reach.
The river has flooded before, but never like this.
There were no minutes. It was seconds.
Never 26 feet in 45 minutes.
There's so much water between me and where I had to go.
Every good and fun down by the river story has been replaced with the horrors they've witnessed.